Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by opening the system keyboard settings now. This is where Gboard controls live. Once done, tap Gboard to access its menu and confirm you're on the latest version. Make sure to check permissions only if the keyboard prompts. Next, go into Preferences. This is where the arrow or emoji toolbar often appears. You're starting with the exact controls will change, so follow each tap steadily, and don't skip confirming the keyboard name at the top. Now you'll locate the toolbar-related toggles inside Preferences. Look for labels like Toolbar, Show App Icon, or Layout options. Once found, switch the arrow, clipboard, or extra toolbar items off. This removes the persistent arrow. If you don't see the exact label, check Advanced Settings and Layouts for one-handed or floating keyboard options and disable them. After toggling, force stop Gboard from App Info or reboot the phone to ensure the change persists. Make sure to test typing in any app next. You're almost done. Test the keyboard in Messages, Chrome, and Notes to confirm the arrow disappeared. If it still shows, clear Gboard cache and data from App Info. This resets preferences but keeps your Google backup if enabled. Once cleared, open Gboard and redo the preferences change. If that fails, uninstall updates or reinstall the app. As a final troubleshooting step, temporarily switch to another default keyboard, then switch back. This often resets stubborn.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.